guys! Hello everyone! Welcome to my YouTube channel. So, let me introduce myself first. I am Sherlon Gino P. Velasquez, third year student of PIMSAT Colleges Incorporated, Dagupan Campus, taking up Bachelor of Science in Marine Engineering. So, in this video, I will be discussing the requirements to be complied by ships under MARPO Annex 5. MARPO Annex 5 is all about managing and preventing garbage pollution from ships. Ang MARPO Annex 5 ay tungkol sa tamang pagtatapon ng basura mula sa barko para maiwasan ang pollution sa dagat. The Annex 5 requires that ships manage or record waste generated on board the ships, including discharges. The requirements under MARPO Annex 5 is it is strictly prohibited to throw plastics and harmful waste into the sea. And also, the ship must separate waste like plastic, food waste, oil, etc. and dispose of them properly in port reception facilities or at sea, only when allowed. Ang mga barkong 100 gross tonnage o may 15 o higit pang crew ay dapat may garbage management plan. Lastly, ship must record all garbage disposal activities in our garbage record book. Also, all ships of 12 meters or more in length are required to display placards that notify the crews or passengers of the MARPOL garbage discharges requirements for that ships under MARPOL. So that is for the requirements under MARPO Annex 5. No trash in the sea, keep it debris free. The MARPO Annex 5 shows the way, dispose of waste the right way, protect the marine life, sail with care. So if you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification bell for maritime tips. See you in the next video.